I've been dreaming about you. Wish I knew what you were up to. Wish I can hit you up.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. This piece so annoying. Today I'm gonna be cleaning my apartment and I really hate making these videos because I literally feel like they're not interesting at all. But you guys wanted more of me cleaning in my apartment, at least a few of you guys. And well, since I'm home and my apartment is dirty and I have a lot of free time today, I was like, you know what, I'll clean my apartment. Also, I was like really sick these past few weeks. I mean, I've been sick on and off like this past month, you guys know. I don't know why, I'm like always sick or something these days. But I'm finally good today. So we're gonna be cleaning my apartment. Let me just show you guys the mess. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Okay, that's just my dishwasher. I put stuff in here to dry, but on top of here, you guys can just see, Shorty needs to do dishes. I've been sick, so I hate doing dishes when I'm sick. My stove is gross because all I've been doing is cooking and eating. All right, I just cooked this, don't need to eat this. My counter space, and honestly, it could be worse, but yeah. I just bought some stuff from the store. I'll show you guys like a little haul. As for the living room, it just looks so messy. Like blankets are everywhere because Chloe is currently on her period. I don't trust her on the couches at all. I just get scared she's gonna like pee everywhere. Oh my god, did you just pee on the ground? Oh my god, man, these were perfectly good socks. This stuff, best to clean for dog stains and pees and shit. It literally smells so good and it gets rid of the stain. Chloe usually pees on her pee pad thing. Ever since she got her period, she just doesn't pee where she's supposed to. This is actually her first period ever. Thank God my friends have girl dogs too, so they're very helpful. They told me like, yeah, expect her to just pee a lot. Why'd you do that, crackhead? Okay, I forgive you. Let's do a little shopping haul. By the way, I was just in Texas. I went to LAN, a rave festival thing. It was literally just the funnest time ever. Thank you to those of you guys who like watched my videos and said hi. That shit was so cool. I felt like, oh my god, I'm famous. They know me. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys. And also, Happy New Year. I know I just posted another video, but like it's 2022. Like we're in a new year, which is so crazy. So may you guys have the best freaking year of your guys' life. Live your life, do your hot girl shit, have fun, and just like make money, bitch. Woo! I'm honestly so excited for this new year. Every year, I just feel so grateful and so excited to achieve new goals. As each year goes on, you just get smarter, you know? So like, hoorah, let's not make the same mistakes. So I went to Target earlier because I wanted to buy a puzzle. So, ooh, look what I bought, Chloe. Oh my god, it's a puzzle. I got this puzzle right here. I think that's Dumbo. I just got this, 750 pieces, nothing too crazy. So I bought this apron and I was like thinking maybe I should make more cooking videos. Ever since I've been like cooked up in my house or my apartment, I just don't want to go out. I've been watching a lot of cooking videos and I want to make more videos of me cooking, trying new recipes, you know, just exploring life. Being a person that lives alone because nobody cooks for me but me. This is the cutest apron ever. And then I bought this thing and it's like a wall shelf and I plan to put this in the front door over there just so that when people come into my apartment they can like put their purses on here. So we're gonna be setting this up soon. And then I also got zebra cakes, basically zebra cakes but like not. And like look at the design, so freaking cute. So that was Target, but then I also went to this new store. It's my favorite store now. A bitch went ham. Just kidding. They just have really big bags. But I went to the at-home store and it's crazy because I found them on TikTok and now it's my favorite store. Like a big ass version of Home Goods. So I bought this sheer curtain thing and I plan to put this in my shower because you guys know I've been using my guest bathroom to shower. I want the vibes of this apartment to be white and pink. I bought this little hand towel. I got the plastic thing that goes inside the shower. Look at what I bought. Such a great like home decor piece. I have no idea where I'm gonna put this, but I feel like this would just look good anywhere. I'm a shopaholic. Also got this little hand towel for the bathroom. Ah, I forgot about this. It's basically a thing for like your spoon when you're cooking. Hey, let's go ahead and install my wall shelf. This is cute. Maybe I should buy like commando strips. Is that what they're called? Wow! Let's do the dishes. Oh guys, look at my ring. Okay, and also my nails are so cute. They're press-ons. But this ring, it's a crystal. It's actually clear topaz, which is my favorite crystal of all time just because it represents like manifestation, opportunities, and things like that. I just love how it's clear. Kind of reminds me of like a diamond. get started. Alright guys, I'm gonna listen to music, so you guys chill, relax, listen to this non-copyrighted stuff. Yeah. That was so much work. Okay, but low-key, I'm very hungry, so we're gonna eat. I just made boiled pork with romaine lettuce and salt and black pepper. That's basically it. It's just very simple, like comfort food for me, so that's why I make it. We're gonna eat some food. And then we got some Hmong pepper here. I freaking ran out of green onions. So sad. Okay, I'm gonna watch some Grey's Anatomy while I eat because my new habit is watching stuff while I'm eating. I think it just comes with living alone because like it's so boring to eat by yourself. So guys, this is how I decided to make this setup. I'm just gonna leave this here. I have my cute pens here. They're from Texas. Completely forgot what the name of the shop was, but these pens are so adorable. See, like, I've never liked dainty cute stuff until like this past year. I think it's because I'm in love, and so I find shit cute now. Wow, she organized a what up, but oh my god, so cute. These are like my cute shoes, my beaters down there, and over here is like my winter like lazy day outfit shoes, you know. Yeah. 2 pieces. Living room just looks like this. I basically just folded the blankets and stuff, and I have this like bamboo tree thing, and I got it from Walmart, but it's literally dying in my care. I have a theory. This is the story I was gonna tell you guys earlier, that like my entire family, all the females have green thumbs except me. Like it would be me, bruh. It would be. Come on, don't die on me. Maybe I'll water you more because the instructions are lying. You don't seem happy. Let's go switch the shower curtain in my bathroom. It actually doesn't even have shower curtain yet. Hello guys, welcome to my master bathroom. This shower curtain needs to be at least longer than like 74 inches, I would say. And all the bathroom shower curtains are usually like 72 inches, so I just couldn't find one, but I finally got it. Finally. So I just bought these thingies from HomeGoods, and it was like $6. Like this. Wait, is this even long enough? Shit, I don't think it's long enough. I think I'm gonna have to go back to the store. I'll do that another day to book. Hey. Whoa, this is tall as fuck. Hey, here's a new towel. Boop. How cute. Alright, this shit looks so messy. I'm sorry guys. Like, I wish I was organized, but I'm really not. Why is my dog barking so much randomly today? Hi guys, so I'm gonna clean my stove quickly, and I'm gonna call it Danny. Don't mind him. I don't recommend you wear white while doing this. clean. Alrighty guys, I'm getting so tired and it's like midnight. I'm gonna go to bed now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Anyways, I love you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And I will see you guys next week. Bye! Mwah!
I've been dreaming about you, wishing you what you were